Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. NZD USD jumps 20 pips even as RBNZ or stays ready for additional easing. http ntvforex.com News ID 61E3FB 4 minutes ago by Anil Panchal. NZD USD defies the early Asian losses while bouncing off 0.6757. RBNZ or discusses multiple options to combat the monetary easing need if any. Fresh noise concerning the US-China relations probes the risk on mood-cheering vaccine hopes. Aussie GDP, USADP will be the key data to watch. Risk catalysts remain on the driver's seat. NZD USD takes the bids near the intraday high of 0.6775, up 0.20% on a day, during the early Wednesday. The Kiwi pair recently surged after the Reserve Bank of New Zealand RBNZ Governor Adrian Orr cited readiness to use unconventional monetary policy tools if needed. In his latest speech, RBNZ Governor Orr said, "The bank is actively preparing a package of additional monetary policy tools to use if needed." While citing the choices the central banker mentioned, options include negative wholesale interest rates, further direct lending to banks, and ongoing forward guidance about our intentions. Following the news, NZD USD not only reversed the early Asian losses but refreshed the intraday high as traders seem to prepare for a big move by the New Zealand's central bank. Read NBSP RBNZ Governor Orr actively preparing a package of additional monetary policy tools to use if needed during the initial day. The quote seems to follow the updates suggesting continuous tension between the US and China. Recently, U.S. Secretary of State Mike Pompeo cited Cold War conditions with Beijing. Afterward, the U.S. State Department mentioned that it watches over the China-India border tension. The same may not be welcomed by the Dragon Nation. Elsewhere, the news that the global pharmaceutical leader AstraZeneca begins final trials on the coronavirus COVID-19 vaccine joins receding virus numbers to keep the market players hopeful. As a result, S&P 500 futures stay positive around the record top beyond 3,500, whereas New Zealand's NZX 50 trims the early day gains but gains 0.60% by the press time. Looking forward, the second quarter Q2 GDP details from the largest customer Australia and the USADP employment change will be the key to watch for the NZD USD pair traders. Should the Aussie GDP match the 6.0% forecast and the USADP data prove the forecast of 950k right, the quote may step back from the highest in 14 months. Technical analysis: unless breaking July month's high of 0.6716, sellers are less likely to take entries. Alternatively, July 219 top near 0.6750 may guard the immediate upside. Additional important levels overview: today last price 0.6758, today daily change 0.0000, today daily change percent 0.00%, today daily open 0.6758, NBSP trends daily SMA 20 0.6607, daily SMA 50 0.6581, daily SMA 100 0.639, daily SMA 200 0.6381, NBSP levels: previous daily high 0.678, previous daily low 0.6728, previous weekly high 0.6744, previous weekly low 0.6514, previous monthly high 0.6764, previous monthly low 0.6488, daily Fibonacci 38.2%, 0.6761, daily Fibonacci 61.8%, 0.6748, daily pivot point S1 0.6731, daily pivot point S2 0.6704, daily pivot point S3 0.6679, daily pivot point R1 0.6783, daily pivot point R2 0.6808, daily pivot point R3 0.6835, NBSP. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me/mt5.expert.advisors.